Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video I am discussing the financial model in Excel for income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow financial model assumptions. So here I've created an Excel which has three sheets. First one has the assumptions, then the second one is the income statement, and then the balance sheet, and finally the cash flow. So here we are describing about the assumption sheet. So here this is whole manual. So first sheet is all manual where we are putting the revenue assumptions for 3 years right now. And here we have the growth rate. I put 15%, 12 and 10%. Then this one is our base revenue. Then we have the cost assumptions here, COGS. And we have the operating expenses, percentage of revenue, and then depreciation, interest rate on debt, then tax rate. So this is the tax rate that I have put here. Then the working capital assumptions. So these all are we have entered here these values. And we have the capex financing, capital expenditure, which is 50,000, 60,000, and 70,000. Then initial fixed assets, initial long-term debt, and initial equity. I put only for year one right now. We can later on put these figures. After entering these figures here for 3 years, this is my income statement sheet that I have created with automated formulas here. So this one is for year one, year two, year three, as we can see here. This one is having the advanced Excel formulas, and then finally we have the net income for year one, year two, and year three, and then the net margin here, which is the percentage of net margin. So this one is also based on the formulas. So this sheet is automatically gets calculated. Then this sheet is our balance sheet. This again we have incorporated the Excel formulas here in this sheet, and all the figures here appeared automatically based on the values that we have provided in the assumption sheet. So this one is our balance sheet. So here we have the current assets, cash, accounts receivables, inventory. Then this one is the total current assets. Then this block is for fixed assets, where I have incorporated gross fixed assets, then net fixed assets for the beginning period, and then accumulated depreciation. And net fixed assets is this line. And the highlighted portion, the yellow highlighted, is just the total assets for the 3 years. Now for the liabilities part, this one provides us the current liabilities, the accounts payable, long-term debt, and then the total liabilities. Then this one is the shareholders equity, where we have the retained earnings, common stock, and total equity here. And finally, the total liabilities and equity becomes this one, which is incorporated through Excel formulas here as well. Then this one is I've just put a check. It should be 0. And then here is the cash flow statement. So this one is also for 3 years I've created, and this column is for line items where we have the operating activities, and then investing activities, and then financing activities here, then cash from financing, then net change in cash. So here this sheet is also incorporating the Excel formulas. But right now, in the assumption sheets, I put only the dummy figures, but we can make the original figures here. And this income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow will get generated automatically. So this is the base for the financial model, an income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, which I have described. So if you need any help, or if you have any queries, or if you need any more customizations in this file for many years, and as well as with some different values, so I can help you in that as well. You can reach me out for the Excel file as well, and I will be sharing you my email address and WhatsApp details in the description part of this video, so you can reach me out for Excel file. And if you need more customizations, or if you are having some queries regarding this financial model, so you can reach me out for that one as well. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe me for future updates, and I hope you like this video. Have a great day. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.